Once again, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's lovely to see so many people meeting and greeting each other. It's the Delhi winter morning, and so much warmth in the room is lovely to see. So can I request everybody to please take a seat? We're going to begin with a short video, for which I'd like to give you a little bit of a prelude. Pardon my French here, it's in pure Hindi. भारत के लिए महज शब्दों का समावेश नहीं, बल्कि OPPI और हमारी सदस्य कंपनियों का भारत के प्रति पूर्ण, संपूर्ण, दृढ़ संकल्प और उज्जवल भविष्य के लक्ष्य का प्रमाण है। यह बतलाता है कि किस प्रकार हमने भारत की स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्थाओं को बेहतर बनाने में अपना योगदान दिया, कैसे हमने सरकार के साथ मिलकर अनगिनत आपदाओं और महामारियों में देशवासियों की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित की, और किस तरह हम भारत की स्वास्थ्य प्रणाली को विश्वस्तरीय बनाने हेतु निरंतर कार्यरत हैं। हमारा अभियान इस बात को प्रमाणित करता है कि OPPI और उसकी सदस्य कंपनियों भारत की स्वास्थ्य ज़रूरतों की बेहतरी हेतु पहले भी थी, आज भी है और कल भी रहेंगे भारत के लिए। Can we have our video on screen, please?
एक स्वस्थ राष्ट्र ही खुशहाल राष्ट्र कहलाता है, और भारत अपने सभी नागरिकों के लिए एक स्वस्थ, खुशहाल और तरक्कीपूर्ण भविष्य का निर्माण कर रहा है, और हम इस प्रयास में भारत के साथ हैं। हम पहले भी थे। आजादी के पहले से हम स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्थाओं को बेहतर करने के लिए भारत के साथ मिलकर अनुसंधान और विकास के क्षेत्र में निरंतर निवेश करते आ रहे हैं। चाहे देश के कोने कोने से जानलेवा बीमारियों को मिटाना हो या फिर अनगिनत चिकित्सा आपदाओं पर जीत पाना हो, एक साथ हम और हमारी सदस्य कंपनियां राज्य और केंद्र सरकार का सहयोग कर भारत की सभी स्वास्थ्य समस्याओं को सुलझाती आई हैं। हम आज भी हैं। हमने हमेशा नई तकनीकों के विकास के लिए प्रयास किया है और स्वास्थ्य समुदायों को कौशल प्रशिक्षण देने में भी सहयोग दिया है। महामारी के दौरान हमने स्वास्थ्य संस्थानों और विशेषज्ञों के साथ मिलकर लोगों तक टीके, दवाएं और स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं पहुंचाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई। देश से दुर्लभ बीमारियों को मिटाना और बीमारी से जूझ रहे लोगों को आवश्यक दवाएं उपलब्ध करवाकर उनका दर्द निवारण करना हमारा अहम लक्ष्य है। स्वास्थ्य संबंधी अपूर्ण जरूरतें पूरी करने के लिए हम लगातार अनुसंधान करते हुए कई नए आविष्कार कर रहे हैं। हम कल भी रहेंगे। इंडिया एट 100 के मिशन में अपना सहयोग देते हुए हम देश के नागरिकों की चिकित्सा सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखकर सभी निर्णय लेते हुए आज और आने वाले कल की अपूर्ण जरूरतों को पूरा करने के लिए नवाचार को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। विकास के इस मिशन में न्यू इंडिया के साथ साझेदारी करना हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के जय विज्ञान, जय अनुसंधान के नारे को आगे बढ़ाना है। हम पहले भी थे, हम आज भी हैं, हम कल भी रहेंगे भारत के लिए।
Bigger round of applause. This is what we have achieved as an industry together. Once again, namaste, good morning, and a very warm welcome to you all. I'm Khyati Kawa, your host for this event, and as a good host should, I want to first thank all of you for taking out the time and being present here today on this very special occasion. We appreciate and absolutely are aware of your valuable time that you've taken out and the effort that you've taken to be here today with us. With that, I once again extend a very warm welcome on behalf of OPPI to each of you to OPPI's annual summit. In collaboration with Department of Pharmaceutical, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India, Invest India, the International Federation of Pharmaceutical Manufacturers and Associations, IFPMA, also the Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America, PHRMA, and Japan Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association, JPMA. We are also supported by National Health Authority, NHA. Our knowledge partner is EY. Our gold partner, Pfizer Limited. Our inaugural session partner, Indigene. Session partner, Eversana. Logo partners, Bristol Myers Squibb. K&S partners. Our award sponsors, Pfizer Limited, APJ Satya Swarna Group, Merck Specialities, and Biopharmaceutical Private Limited. We'd like to thank all of them with a big round of applause for supporting us on this summit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure all of us are aware that India is on the cusp of a healthcare revolution, poised to transform the way healthcare services are delivered, accessed, and experienced. We are making consistent efforts to contribute to the global healthcare ecosystem. The Indian pharmaceutical industry has played a key role in driving better health outcomes across the world by being a large and reliable supplier of affordable and high-quality generic drugs. I'm sure you are aware that we rank 3rd in volume and 14th in value across the globe. Today, India is known as the pharmacy of the world and is the largest provider of generic medicines with a share of 20% in the global supply. We also contribute around 60% of global vaccines. While India has been achieving many milestones in the past decade, it is time to create universal healthcare, create for the last mile, build global capability centers, build for research, and push the envelope for innovation and harness the power of duo, the industry and academia collaborations. Ladies and gentlemen, the transformation in the healthcare space encompasses a multitude of dynamic changes that are shaping our healthcare landscape. Key elements of this revolution include providing universal healthcare coverage, digital health transformation, public-private partnerships, expanded rural healthcare reach, improvements in maternal and child health, raising investments in research and development, and of course the growth of health insurance coverage and emphasis on preventive healthcare. The rise of telemedicine and e-pharmacies that we've been seeing, India's emergence as a global hub for medical tourism, resurgence of holistic health practices, and numerous government initiatives. It is truly a collaborative effort of the government and both public and private sector to create health-first ecosystem, Bharat ke liye, which is also the theme of this year's annual summit. Now the theme, of course, highlights the importance of health driving outcomes in building a nation and a world together, carrying forward the discussions on G20 thought of one world, one family. Ladies and gentlemen, today's event, we will include conversations that are future focused in terms of reimagining healthcare 25 years into the future. Moving from Make in India to Discover in India, from volume-based to value-based. As the nation goes upwards towards the India at 100, the summit will focus on highlighting the contribution of government, both central and states, corporates, industry, academia, patient groups, and other relevant stakeholders. On this note, I would also like to invite all of you to create the buzz that we will be creating outside this hall as well. We are streaming live on our YouTube channel, which are shared on our Twitter and LinkedIn. I saw some of you already clicking pictures around the installation, the hashtag Bharat ke liye. So if you'd like to share those pictures, share the insights from the sessions today, then you may please do so. We would love to hear from all of you on digital as well. Our hashtags are hashtag OPPI Annual Summit and hashtag Bharat ke liye. We'd love to be part of that conversation online too. Now, I'm sure it is no secret, but let me still give you a little brief on OPPI. The Organization of Pharmaceutical Producers of India, established in 1965, represents the research-based global pharmaceutical companies in India. OPPI has been an integral part of the healthcare journey of the country. We remain committed to supporting the nation's healthcare objectives, putting patients at the core of all decision-making and collaborating with all stakeholders to find sustainable solutions to realize the collective vision of health for all. Our member companies, you, have been serving the country's healthcare ecosystem since pre-independence and continue to remain committed to patient safety and providing quality care in the future as well. As an association, our advocacy decisions, patient commitment and work are always keeping the country first, and we embody the spirit of working for Bharat ke liye. Driven with innovation to find solutions for unmet medical needs, collaboration with government stakeholders and co-creation with partners coming together to address the nation's healthcare challenges. We are committed to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's clarion call, which you heard on the video as well, which is Jai Vigyan and Jai Anusandhan. Today, we will have our thought leaders share knowledge, perspectives, make connections and collaborations to have a positive impact on the future, as well as we will be having the reward and recognition for you for the exemplary work that you have done. So there is a power-packed day waiting for all of us.